Today I am discuss the next method of the second order differential equation. If the differential equation, the CF is not find the rule of the CF, then the use of the next method of differential equation is called the normal form or removal of the first derivative of the second order differential equation. Now you can note down the topic: normal form, or you can known removal of first derivative. First derivative. This method apply when the CF is not find by the method of rule of find out the CF, then use the normal form method, or you know removal of first derivative. You can use this method. First of all, let the second order differential equation is d2y of dx2 plus p dy of dx plus q y is equal to r. This is equation number first. If the complete solution of the equation first is y is equal to uv, therefore you find dy of dx is equal to u dv of dx plus v du of dx, and similarly d2y of dx2 is also equal to u d2v of dx2 plus 2 du of dx into dv of dx plus v d2u of dx2. Putting this value in equation first, then u d2v of dx2 plus 2 du of dx into dv of dx plus v d2u of dx2 plus t bracket u dv of dx plus v du of dx plus q u v is equal to r. Now again you can write, if the common of v takes in the both side of the equation, you can write v d2u of dx2 plus 2 by v du of dx into dv of dx plus u by v d2v of dx2 plus p u upon v dv of dx plus p du of dx plus q u is equal to r. Now you can write d2u of dx2 plus, you can write, if du of dx will be common, you can write this and this, you can write p plus 2 by v dv of dx, common is this du of dx, plus remaining is u by v, you can write d2v of dx2 plus, you can common u by v, this is equal to plus p dv of dx plus qv is equal to r by u. This is equation number second. This is equation number second. You can note down this. I am continuing to this step. This is equation number first. You can note down here d2v of dx2 plus p dv of dx plus qv is not 0, as y equal to v is a part of CF, is a part of CF, and removal of first derivative, then p plus 2 by v into dv of dx is equal to 0, or you can know p is equal to minus 2 by v dv of dx, or you can simply write dv of v is equal to minus p by 2 dx. Now integrate this function on both sides. You can write integration dv of v is equal to minus p by 2 by minus 1 by 2 integration p dv dx. Now you can write log v is equal to minus 1 by 2 integration p dx, or you can simply write v is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 integration p dx. This is a value of v. Now find out the value of dv by dx. This is equation number 2. Now find the value of dv by dx and d2v of dx2. You can write first, you can find dv by dx. dv by dx, this is equal to minus p by 2 integration minus 1 by 2 integration p dx, or you can simply write minus p by 2 into v. This is a value of dv, and again find the value of d2v of dx2 is equal to minus p by 2 dv of dx minus v by 2 dp of dx, or you can simply write minus v by 2 dp of dx minus, put the value of v, you can write p square by 4. This is, put the value of v, minus minus plus d, sorry, you can write minus p by 2 d of dx, put the value of v, this is equal to minus 1 by 2 integration p dx. Now you can solve this equation. You can write d2v of dx2 is equal to minus v by 2 dp of dx minus differential of this function, you can write plus p square by 2 into v. Now this is a value of d2v of dx2, and this is a value of dv of dx. Now putting these value in equation second. Now you can write the equation second is, put the value of equation 2. This is equation number 2. Put these value dy by dv of dx and d2v of dx. Now you can write d2u of dx2 plus, put the value of this is equal to 0. Now 0 into du of dx plus, put the value of this means u by v into common of v. Now you can write, put the value of v, this means minus 1 by 2 dp of dx plus p square by 4. Now again put the value of this p into dv is equal to minus p by 2, this is p square by 2 into v is also common. Now again q is equal to r by e to the power integration p by 2 minus p by 2 dx, or you can simply write d2u of dx2 plus u, you can write q minus 1 by 2 dp of dx minus p square by 4 is equal to r e to the power integration 1 by 2 p into dx, or you can simply write d2u of dx2 plus q1u is equal to r1. This is equation number 3rd, where q1 is equal to q minus 1 by 2 dp of dx minus, you can write p square by 4, and r1 is equal to r e to the power 1 by 2 integration p into dx. This is removal of first derivative. Now the solution of this equation is equal to uv. Now the solution of the differential equation first is equal to uv when the value of putting v is equal to e to the power minus p into dx, and find out the value of v in the equation number third. The complete solution of differential equation first is y equal to uv when v is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 integration p into dx, and d2u of dx2 plus q1u is equal to r1. Find the value of where q1 is equal to q minus 1 by 2 dp of dx minus t square by 4, and r1 is equal to r into e to the power 1 by 2 integration p into dx. This is a complete solution of the differential equation first. Now again I am discuss the numerical related to this function or removal of the first derivative topic. You can note down. Find the solution of differential equation you can note down the differential equation is d2y of dx2 minus 4x dy of dx plus 4x square minus 1 y is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square into sine 2x by removing of first derivative. Now the solution of this problem, first of all you can watch these steps. If the CF is not found by the rule of the CF, now you can use the normal form of the differential equation, second order differential equation, or you can know the removal of the first derivative. Now we get d2y of dx2 minus 4x dy of dx plus 4x square minus 1 y is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square into sine 2x. Now comparing of this equation in second order of differential equation, comparing on second order differential equation. This is equation number first. Now you can find the value of p is equal to minus 4x and q is equal to 4x square minus 1 and r is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square into sine 2x. Now find the value of when the complete solution of the equation first is y is equal to uv by the using of the first by uv by using the remove removing of removing the first derivative method, first derivative method, v is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 integration p into dx and d2u of dx2 plus q1u is equal to r1, where q1 is equal to q minus 1 by 2 dp of dx minus p square by 4 and r1 is equal to r e to the power 1 by 2 integration p into dx. First of all, find the value of v. Find the value of v. Now you can write v is equal to integration e to the power minus 1 by 2 integration p into dx. Put the value of p, you can write e to the power minus 1 by 2 integration. Put the value of p, this is equal to minus 4x. Now you can write plus 4x dx. Now you can write v is equal to e to the power 2 integration x dx, or you can simply write e to the power x square. Now you can write e to the power x square. This is a value of v. E to the power x square is the value of v. Now second, find out the value of this. This means q1. Find out the value of q1. If you can let, this is a equation number. Since d2u of dx2 plus q1u is equal to r1. This is equation number second. First of all, find the value of q1. q1 is equal to q minus 1 by 2 dp of dx minus p square by 4. Now put the value of q and p. You can write, put the value of q, this is equal to 4x square. Now you can write 4x square minus 1 by 2. Put the value of p. Now differentiate of the p. You can write minus minus plus into 4 into 1. Now you can put the value of p square minus, you can write minus 4x to the power 2 by 4. Now you can first of all solve this equation. 4x square minus 1 plus 2 minus 4x square, or you can simply write the value of 1. This is a q1. q1 is equal to 1. Now again, find the value of r1. Find the value of r1. Find the value of r1. r1 is equal to r e to the power 1 by 2 p dx, or you can simply write r. This is the value of r. Put the value of r. This is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square sine 2x into e to the power 1 by 2 integration p into dx. Or you can simply write r1 is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square into sine 2x into, solve this, you can write e to the power x square is also, or you can simply write the value of this is equal to minus 3 e to the power 2x square into sine 2x. This is the value of r1. Now you can note down, first of all, you can note down this value. If you have any problem, please comment to my video and promote to my channel. Please like and subscribe is also. Now you can put the value of p is equal to minus. This is equal to minus. Now you can write this this is equal to the value of R1 is equal to the value of R1. This is cancelled, minus 3 sine 2x. The value of R1 is equal to, because the value of P is equal to minus 4x. Now you continue, put the value of, putting the value of Q1 and R1 in equation second, you can write d2u of dx2 plus u is equal to minus 3 sine 2x. This is a differential equation, linear differential equation. Now, first of all, you can find the auxiliary equation of this equation. You can write m square plus 1 is equal to 0, or you can write simply m is equal to plus minus I. Then the CF of this equation, you can write C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Now, the particular integral of this equation, you can write Pi is equal to 1 by d square plus 1 minus 3 sine 2x, or you can simply write Pi is equal to minus 3 sine 2x upon minus 2 to the power 2 plus 1, or you can write Pi is equal to minus plus 3 by 3 sine 2x, or you can write Pi is equal to sine 2x. If let this is a equation, this is a equation number 4. The solution of equation 4, y is equal to CF plus Pi. Now you can write the value of CF. Sorry, this is y, this is u. So u is equal to value of CF. This is equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x, and this equal Pi. This is equal to plus sin 2x. This is a value of u. Now, since v is equal to e to the power x square, therefore the complete solution of differential equation first, y is equal to uv. Put the value of u and v. You can write y is equal to bracket c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus sin 2x into value of v e to the power x square. This is a complete solution of the differential equation. First, all the step is very important. Please, you can note down every step. If you have any problem, please comments to my video and watch again and again, and promote this channel for the